Good morning, students. Today we continue our fifth chapter, acids, bases and salts. Last lecture में हम देख रहे थे pH of the solution. Then what is the pH of solution? I explained short in the last lecture. Then now let us see what is the pH. pH is a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. pH is a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of solution, and it helps also measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. This number also helps in measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. Now what is the pH scale? On the pH scale, we measure the pH of the solution from 0 to 14. From 0 to 14. This chart given in your textbook on the page number, I think 63 पेज नंबर पर तुम्हारे टेक्स्ट बुक में 63 पेज नंबर पे वो चार्ट दिया है. वो चार्ट में देखो pH ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन दिया है एंड फ्रॉम 0 to 14 नंबर दिया है. द pH फ्रॉम 0 to 14 given in that chart. Means pH is a number which also indicates the strength of the acidic or basic nature of the solution, which indicates the strength of the acidic and basic nature of the solution. And this scale which is used for the measuring the pH of the solution, it is for the hydrogen ion concentration and solution. It is the hydrogen ion concentration in solution, and this terms is known as a pH scale. This scale is used. The scale used for measuring the pH is the measuring hydrogen ion concentration in the solution, which is indicates the pH scale. The pH from 0 to 7 indicates the acidic nature in the solution, and the pH from 7 to 14, the solution is alkaline, means it is basic in nature. The solution is alkaline, means it is basic in nature, and pH less than 7 means 0 to 7 indicates as acidic in nature, and pH of the solution at 7, it means neutral. The pH of the solution is 7, means it means neutral. The pure water has 7 pH 7. The pure water has pH 7, means H plus ion is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter. 1 liter water में 1 mole water it has content H plus ions 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 mole. Means pH that 7 indicates a neutral solution. pH 7 indicates neutral solution, means pure water is a neutral solution. Pure water is a neutral solution. Now see universal indicators. Universal indicators. You know that the indicators like litmus, turmeric paper, jamun, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. The indicators like litmus paper, turmeric, jamun, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Jamun is a natural indicator. Now you know that also some natural and synthetic dyes show two different colors in acid and basic solutions, and such dyes are used as acid-base indicators. Some natural and synthetic dyes shows two different colors in acid and basic solution, and such dyes are used to acid-base indicators. In the pH scale, The pH of solution varies from 0 to 14. We see that the pH is varies from 0 to 14 as according to the strength of the acid or base. pH varies from the 0 to 14 as according to the strength of the acid or base. And these variations in pH also showed by using a universal indicator. Now, what is the universal indicator? Universal indicator shows different colors at different values of pH. Means 0 to 7 पे वो different color दिखाता है, 7 to 14 पे वो different color दिखाता है. It shows different colors at different pH scale. And it is made up by mixing several synthetic indicators in a specific proportions. Universal indicator is made up by mixing several synthetic indicators in a specific proportion. And the pH of solution can be determined by means of universal indicator solution or the pH paper made from it. pH of the solution also determined by using the universal indicator, and also but the pH paper is made up by using that universal solvent. And to make this pH scale, the instrument is called the pH meter. To make this pH scale, to this instrument is called the pH meter. Now, reactivity of acids and bases. Reactivity of acids and bases. First one is the neutralization. What is the neutralization here? Here given one experiment to you. Take 10 ml dilute HCl in a beaker. Use a glass rod to put a drop of this solution on a pH paper and record the pH of the solution. Add to it a few drops of dilute NaOH solution by means of a dropper and stir the solution with the glass rod. Measure the pH of the resulting solution by putting a drop of this solution on another pH paper. In this manner, go on adding dilute NaOH drop by drop and recording the pH. What do you find? Stop adding NaOH. When a green color appears on the pH paper, that is when the pH of the solution becomes 7. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन मीन्स व्हाट? ये देखने के लिए तुम्हें एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए बोला है. क्या करना है? 10 ml HCl एक बीकर में लेना है एंड उस HCl सॉल्यूशन का एक ड्रॉप पीएच पेपर पे लेना है. ड्रॉपर से एक ड्रॉप पीएच पेपर पे लेके उस सॉल्यूशन का पीएच तुम फर्स्ट देखो. मीन्स जो HCl तुम लोगों ने लिया है वो HCl सॉल्यूशन का एक ड्रॉप ड्रॉपर से पीएच पेपर पे लेके उसका पीएच फर्स्ट यू मेंशन दैट. देन ऐड few drops of NaOH solution in that HCl solution by the dropper and stir this solution by using a glass rod. Stir this solution by using a glass rod and measure the solution. Measure the pH now by adding this NaOH solution in HCl. You stir this solution and also measure the pH of that solution. Now add drop by drop NaOH solution in HCl solution and also you measure the pH solution after adding every drop. मीन्स क्या करना है? तुम लोगों ने जब NaOH सोल्यूशन तुम लोग HCl सोल्यूशन में ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप ऐड करते हो तभी हर एक ड्रॉप तुम लोग डालते हो तो ग्लास रॉड से स्टर करना है. अगेन यू मेजर द pH. अगेन यू add next drop in that solution. Also you stir by the glass rod and also you measure the pH of like that. You continue this process till the color appears green of that solution. When you want to continue this process adding the NaOH in that HCl solution till that color of that solution appears green. When you appears the color green means it is a neutral solution, and you measure the pH of that solution by pH paper. You measure the pH 7 of that solution means it is the neutral solution. It is the neutral solution means solution of the pH becomes 7 means it becomes neutral solution and solution appears green in color. Now neutralization reaction. Why does the pH increase as a NaOH solution is added drop by drop to the HCl solution? You added the solution drop by drop NaOH solution in HCl solution, then why increases the pH? जैसे जैसे तुम लोग ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप वो NaOH HCl सॉल्यूशन में ऐड करते हो तो हर टाइम एक ड्रॉप ऐड करने के बाद जब तुम लोग pH मेजर करते हो तो तुम्हें समझ में आएगा कि pH इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो वो सॉल्यूशन का pH इंक्रीज हो रहा है. Why is it so? See here. Because there is a process of dissociation. There is a process of dissociation. Both of the HCl and NaOH dissociate in their aqueous solution. Means there is a process of dissociation which in that process both the HCl and NaOH dissociate in aqueous solution. When you add NaOH solution to HCl solution, there is a large concentration of OH ions, OH minus ions, and also the large concentration of the H plus ions. There is a large concentration of OH minus ions and also large concentration of OH minus ions. Then when they are dissociates, H plus ions and OH minus ions were extant, and when the mixing of OH minus ions combines with H plus ions, when mixing these two solutions, OH minus ions combines with H plus ions and form a water molecule. Means they completely dissociates. Dissociates means dissolve. They are completely dissociates and they form the water molecule. On the mixing, and water is a solvent, and this change can be represented by the reaction you see in your book. H plus ion plus Cl minus plus Na plus ion plus OH minus ion gives out Na plus Cl minus plus H2O. This is a neutralization reaction. In this reaction you see that Na plus ions and Cl minus ions both are on the both sides, means दोनों साइड में Cl plus and H plus and Cl minus आयन है, मतलब reactant में भी है और product में भी है. Therefore the next reaction is what? H plus minus OH minus is equal to H2O. Means Na plus OH Cl minus is dissociates. They are completely dissociates, and only H plus and OH minus ions remain there, and this H plus and OH minus ion combines together and form the water molecule. Understand you? What see? You see in your book on page number 65, there are H plus Cl minus plus Na plus OH minus gives out Na plus Cl minus plus H2O. दोनों साइड में मीन्स रिएक्टेंट में भी और प्रोडक्ट में भी H प्लस एंड Cl माइनस आयन्स है. वो दोनों साइड के आयन्स मीन्स रिएक्टेंट के और प्रोडक्ट के साइड के आयन्स क्या होता है? दोनों डिसोसिएट्स मीन्स दीज आर completely dissolved and only form H plus and OH minus ions are remain, and they form the water molecule. They form the water molecule. Means aqueous solution of the water, means it is a solvent, and this is a neutral reaction, means neutralization. As the NaOH solution is added drop by drop to the HCl solution, the concentration of H plus goes on decreasing due to the combination with the added of OH minus ions, and that is how the pH goes on increasing. What happens? Why increasing the pH? When you added NaOH solution, in HCl solution? Because the concentration of H plus ion goes on decreasing due to the combination with the OH minus ion. When you add NaOH solution drop by drop in the HCl solution, the concentration of H plus ion goes on decreasing due to the combination with added by the OH minus ion, and that is why the pH of the solution goes on increasing, means basicity increasing. Okay. Now, when enough NaOH solution is added to HCl solution, the resulting aqueous solution contains only Na plus and Cl minus ion. Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. That is NaCl, means salt is formed and the solvent water is formed. And the only source of H plus and OH minus ions solution is dissociation of water. Therefore, this reaction is called the neutralization. As I say before that, NaOH added in the HCl solution, by that salt, NaCl and solvent water is formed, and H plus and OH minus of this solution dissociates of water, dissociation of water, and so this reaction is called the neutralization reaction, and this neutralization reaction is represented as the simple equation as a HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O, means salt and water. HCl plus NaOH gives out NaCl plus H2O. Here we stop. Now take the homework. Take question. What is the pH of solution? First question. What is the pH of solution? Second question. What is the universal indicators? What is the universal indicator? Third question. What is neutralization? What is neutralization, and explain with neutralization reaction. Explain it with neutralization reaction. Third question, I repeat again. What is neutralization, and explain the neutralization reaction. Explain it with neutralization reaction. You complete your homework and send me on WhatsApp. 9th standard students, no one doing homework. You complete your homework and send me WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. Here we stop.